how to add pump token to Trust Wallet. Now, first of all, this token, as you can see, it's available on CoinMEXC. To be able to add this token to Trust Wallet, first of all, copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain Network. Now, after that, open your Trust Wallet. Now, first of all, after that, I will just look into my wallet first to be able to add this. So how to add this token to Trust Wallet? Now just scroll down and click on Manage Crypto, click on this plus icon, and here you can select the BNB Smart Chain network. Now after you click on it, now here you can paste the token address in search bar. As you can see, this is our token, and now click on Add Token. So as you can see, you can search it from here just to make sure that you add your token successfully to your wallet. Now just keep searching until you find your token that's called Pump. So I will just keep searching. As you can see, this is it. Now this is it, and it's added successfully to my wallet. So this is how to add Pump token to Trust Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.